welcome back. So we did have mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies made our way through the day today. A strong westerly wind, which is keeping us dry, but that dry air does warm up pretty nicely with those highs today into the upper 80s. It descends down to 80 degrees. Wind west-southwest around 5, that dew point of 48 degrees. Other temperatures across the region, so we're at 74, the cool spot at Kimball, near 80 at Harrison and Hemmingford, and low 80s as we move throughout toward Torrington, Chadron, and Bridgeport. There's your wind. So it's westerly, a little bit of a northerly component in there too. A lot of downslope wind. That's why we're so dry. The wind really not that bad, around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Now, as for the dew points, we are seeing on this map dew point values in the 30s and 40s. So that's the difference between a southeast wind, which we had through most of the heat wave we had in August and early September, and a westerly wind, which we have right now. No more 50s, 60s, and even 70s on this map, which is oppressive levels of humidity. That westerly wind really does dry us out pretty nicely. Now, here's a look at the satellite loop. Valley locations, Torrington, Scottsbluff, all the way toward Oshkosh and southeastern Wyoming are keeping partly to mostly cloudy skies, with mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies as you make your way into the northern panhandle and off into the southern panhandle. So the lower elevations just producing a little more cloud cover. Everybody's staying dry, though. This high-pressure system is working its way off to the east, giving us that southerly flow. We have these lows still missing us off to the north. We're going to stay in this warm sector all the way through around Thursday before this cold front off the west coast will be our next weather maker and produce some moisture and cool us off. Now, Skycast shows that through the evening, just a few passing clouds out there. Temperatures quickly falling into the upper 50s, with low temperatures just after daybreak tomorrow in the low to mid-50s. For the day tomorrow, we will keep mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Can't rule out a shower or thunderstorm, especially in the higher elevations of southeastern Wyoming. Most of us are staying dry, with those high temperatures well into the 70s to some areas into the lower 80s. And then going through the overnight into Wednesday morning, low temperatures once again near 50, and Wednesday we'll have more of an increase in the cloud cover, a slightly better chance of some showers and thunderstorms, and high temperatures falling back into the low to mid 80s across the region. So that jet stream still off to our north. That's where the lows are going, and that's where most of the moisture is going to be. We're going to stay in that nice warm sector all the way until Thursday, when that cold front gets here, sparks off some showers and thunderstorms. A cooler high pressure system will pump in much cooler air as we finish out the work week. So here's your forecast for tonight. Mostly clear, slightly mild when it comes to where our average lows should be, low to mid 50s. And for the day tomorrow, mid 80s for most of us, partly to mostly sunny skies and warm. And then as we go through Wednesday, we have an increase in the clouds, a slight chance of some showers and thunderstorms later in the day. That wind is now from a southerly direction, with highs for most of us into the low to mid 80s. Thursday, we will increase the chance of some showers and storms to 30%, then 50% Friday. Temperatures falling through the 80s into the mid 70s, and a high of only 70 on Saturday. Maybe some remnant showers possible, especially in the morning. Windy northerly winds keeping us cool, but for Sunday up to 72 and 74 on Monday. Mostly sunny skies as we slightly warm up and stay dry, and a lot of sunshine to start next week. Angel?
Thanks, Justin. A little gator recently became an internet sensation after pictures emerged showing it was missing its top